Welcome back to Wealth Delivery, and today we're going to talk about the value ladder.
What up? I'm Devon Connors, and I'm the financial freedom scientist. I have spent the last 2 years creating multiple streams of income online, so I can earn more money in less time doing what I love, rather earning less money, giving up more time doing what I hate. I'm here to tell you the truth.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth
About creating an online income.
Grayson, you know what you're doing? So, the value ladder, we're just going right through the Dotcom secrets book on the things I use in my business and how you can implement them yourself. So if you haven't watched my last video, I would definitely stop this video right now and go watch that last one, because that's, these videos are going to piggyback off each other. So what you learned in the last video, you probably want to know for the next video to come. So today we're going to go over the value ladder. And in my first video, we talked about what bait and a part of the secret formula and the 4 questions you want to ask before you start your online business is what bait are you going to use to bring your audience into your world? And that's the first step of the value ladder. What free offer, you're going to give your customer of value. Make sure value is important. Are you going to give your customer to bring them over into your world and bring them into your funnel? So bait is the first part of the funnel. And like I said, I like to use checklists. I like to use templates, or it can even be like a free training. It could be anything, just something that has a great amount of value that be like, all right, something they can use, something they will actually benefit from. Part number 2 of the value ladder is the front end offer. So once you got the value and you offer something for free, your front end offer is, something to help them along the way. That that may be your first. This will be something you would sell. Something, if they want to go further, take a step further in your business. Maybe you have maybe you have a course or program that they can sign up for after viewing your checklist or your template. Like, hey, I want to know more. I want to learn more. Can you help me further with what you just taught me? And then, so I like to do a course. So I like to give like a free checklist, then a course, because it just makes it easy. It's like, all right, here's the things on the checklist that you need. And if you want to know how to use those things on the checklist, if you want to, watch how I use them, check out my course. So that's the front end offer. And then the next part of the ladder is the middle offer. So that's more of like, some people call it an upsell, or, it's a little bit more value than what you have on the front end offer. So your front end offer may have been, the course. Your middle offer, which is a little bit higher, a little bit more, a little bit more value. So it may be a personal consultation with you on how to run their business, or how to, apply what they just got in the course. Some people don't do well with like taking a course and then going through it. Maybe sometimes they want, a little hands-on approach and want somebody to walk them through it. So that's the chance, for you to offer a little bit more, because, that involves your time, everything else. Of course, you can just slap them online and people come buy it if they need it, but, if they want your time, if you're probably a pretty busy person yourself, so it's going to cost a little bit more. So that is what you want to do with your premium offer or your middle offer. I call it. It can be, say you have a course, you may have a premium course, which I probably wouldn't follow up a course with another course, because you're like, you got me buying all these courses. So, that's pretty much the middle offer of your funnel. And then the back end offer is, something in the book, they say it's something like continuing, like maybe it's once every month you do like a business call, or, something that is like a subscription service based. For me, I like to just do a downsell. So if they say no to my middle offer, maybe the price is too high, then I'll just offer them the back end offer, at a, in a payment plan or some of that nature. So, so the goal is to help figure out what products and services you need to add to your value ladder to help out your dream clients. So that's the value ladder. That's pretty much it. So if you want to start your own business, or you want to know what you need to start your own business, check out the checklist below. Definitely highly recommend .com Secrets. I mean, I live by that book, so I don't know why anybody would start a business any other way than using the .com Secrets book. So check that out. That's all I got for you today, and stay tuned for until next Tuesday. Actually, I said Tuesday in the last video. You know what? Yep, I'm sticking with Tuesday. Never mind. Forget that. Scratch that. Brain fart. Tuesday, 12 o'clock. Look out for the next video. Also, check out my gaming content I'll be dropping this week. So, I'll let y'all later. Peace.